Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, this video we're going to talk about the 5 guns that everybody's going to need in a SHTF situation. I did a video a while back on 5 guns that everyone should own, and those are pretty much the same 5 guns I'd be sticking with in a SHTF situation. Number 1 that everybody should have with them is a semi-automatic 9mm pistol. Why semi-automatic 9mm? Well, first of all, the ammo is going to be abundant, and you'll be able to find it anywhere. They're easy to shoot, and also 9mm ammo is a lot cheaper than 45, 38, 380. And like I said, most importantly, it's going to be very easy to find 9mm ammo very easily if shit hits the fan. You know what I mean? Again, easy to shoot, easy to conceal, and great for self-defense. Number 2 on the list is going to be an AR-15 in either 223 or 5.56. And guys, for those that don't know, AR-15 does not stand for assault rifle. It stands for armor light. Why an AR-15? You'll be able to get more long-range shots than any other gun, most other firearms with the AR-15. They're very loud. They have very low recoil, easy to shoot, but most importantly, high capacity magazine. So that's going to be another advantage that you're going to have over most other firearms. Plus, they're very scary to the bad guy. It's the most popular gun in the United States for a reason, guys. They're highly accurate, up to 600 yards, even at 900 yards. Easy to shoot, and another important fact is that they got excellent stopping power, and they're great for home defense or varmint hunting. That's number 2 on the list. Number 3 is a 12-gauge pump-action shotgun. Why pump-action shotgun versus semi-auto shotgun? Well, pump action shotgun versus semi-automatic means you have less moving parts, and when you have less moving parts, it's more reliable. You're less likely to have a failure. That's a basic concept with a lot of different things. You always want less. That way the chances of things going bad are very slim, especially in a SHTF situation. These are great for home defense or for hunting. They're very effective for hunting, especially when food is hard to come by in a SHTF situation. And again, like 9mm ammo, 12-gauge ammo is very easy to find, just like 9mm ammo. Most of your hunting stores and sporting stores, they're going to have 12-gauge ammo sooner than they're going to have anything else. And if you want to talk about spread, like double-aught bucks, slug, or birdshot, they all have different uses. Take birdshot, for instance. You got a bunch of little pellets in a shell. As you shoot it, the further it goes out, they spread out wide. But if you shoot somebody with that spread at 10 yards, you're going to blow a hole through them. Double-aught buck is usually 9 bigger BBs in a shot shell, and that's going to give you more distance to shoot out, and it's going to have deadly stopping power. A 12-gauge slug is going to go right through them, and again, great for home defense. If you don't watch my other video on 5 guns everyone should own, please go watch it. It gives a breakdown. I'm sorry. Shotguns and Ammo Explained. That's the video I did. And I break down all the shotgun shells, 12-gauge and 20-gauge, with birdshot, buckshot, and slugs. It's a good video. It explained a lot more about the ammo with you. But you'll be able to use this for hunting, for home defense. And like I said, you'll find ammo everywhere. And again, very easy to shoot. And it does have some recoil, but nothing that you can't manage. So, but you're definitely going to, and plus you'll be able to hunt small game with this. birds, ducks, geese, rabbit, whatever. The list goes on and on and on. Number 4 on the list, guys, that you're going to want is a 22. Is a 22 rifle. 22 rifle. Why? Well, because they're easy to shoot. There's no recoil, and there's no muzzle flash like some of the big high-powered guns. There's no muzzle flash. They're great for hunting, small game, varmints, and rodents. In the SHTF situation, when garbage is not being picked up and there's a lot of garbage around, that's going to bring a lot of rodents. Rodents carry diseases. You're going to want to eliminate them. Also, you could pick up 500 rounds of ammo very cheap and throw them right in your front pocket. And it's a great tool to barter with in a SHTF situation as well. For food, other ammo calibers, whatever. It's very inexpensive. And like the 9mm and the 12 gauge, you're going to find it in every hunting store or sporting goods store that's around. So 22 definitely. That's another great ammo that you want to stockpile, as well as a 9mm. Again, food, gasoline, fuel, whatever. It's going to be a great bartering tool, especially if you got a nice stockpile of it. You're definitely going to want a 22. And the fifth firearm that you're gonna want is a very high powered hunting rifle in a .308 caliber, like this. You're gonna want a high powered hunting rifle. This is deadly at any distances, like an AR-15. But much more stopping power. When you talk about high-power rifle, we talk about sniper rifles. You're going to need a high-powered scope, and you're going to need to practice with it. You can't expect to hit a target a quarter mile away, and you never practice with it to see how everything works. But this is going to allow you to hunt big game, like deer, moose, elk, whatever. It's great for hitting a target, like I said, a quarter mile away, even further. And the stopping power is unbelievable. Like I said, this will solve any other problem you have when it comes to hunting, or like I said, trying to eliminate a target before they get closer to you, like I said. But you have to practice. That's the main thing, guys. You put a big nasty scope on them, but if you don't get out and shoot it and test it to see how it works, don't expect to eliminate a target or a threat that's a quarter mile away because you didn't practice with the firearm. So again, big .308 or 30-06. If I didn't take this one, I'd probably take my big 45-70, but definitely a big 30-06 or a big .308. Again, stopping power, and it's a very it's a caliber. A .308 caliber is a very common hunting rifle caliber. So chances are you'll be able to find ammo anywhere for it. So I would stockpile 9mm, 22 ammo. It doesn't matter what type 22 ammo you got. And .308 caliber and AR-15 chambered in .223 or 5.56, guys. But those are my 5 choices. Yours might be a little different. Again, if you want a more explanation on the shotgun ammo and the differences in the comparison between spread, double-aught buck, and buckshot, I do have a video on my channel of that. And I also got another video. It's called 5 Guns Everyone Should Own. And it's these exact 5, and I think in this exact order. But if you don't have an AR-15, you can use an AK. I probably would have an AK with me as well. Like I said, they're big, scary guns, especially to the bad guy. And that's what you're going to want in a SHTF situation. So that's my 5, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And have a great day, everybody. We'll see you guys again soon.